Landlords in Los Angeles. Before you file an eviction, you need to ask one critical question. Are you current on security deposit interest payments? Because it could mean the difference between winning and losing your eviction case. If your property is subject to the City of Los Angeles RSO, you're required to pay interest on security deposits each year. Here's what the law requires. Under LAMC Section 151.06, landlords must calculate annual interest on each tenant's security deposit using the rate published by the Housing Department. Landlords must pay that interest either by a direct payment or as a rent credit to the tenant. And finally, landlords must notify the tenant in writing of which method you ultimately choose. If you don't notify the tenant, payment obligation isn't complete, and your default can create legal exposure. Here's the part that's really important for eviction cases. Tenant attorneys are increasingly raising non-payment of security deposit interest as a defense to unlawful detainer actions. More importantly, judges in some courts are accepting this defense and forcing landlords to dismiss eviction cases where interest hasn't been paid or documented. That means even if you have valid grounds to evict, your case can be derailed if you haven't made timely interest payments or otherwise provided written notifications. Here's what you need to do before filing an unlawful detainer action. First, confirm whether your property is subject to the RSO. Second, check the current and historical interest rates published by the Housing Department. Third, issue written notice and make the annual interest payment to the tenant. Fourth, keep records and notifications of payments to the tenant. Non-compliance with RSO interest obligations isn't a minor bookkeeping issue. It's now a real defense that tenants use to push back against eviction cases, and judges are listening. If you're a landlord in Los Angeles or a property management company handling RSO units, review your security deposit interest procedures now. Talk to our landlord tenant attorneys at SNS Law Group before you file any eviction, because missing this step could mean a dismissed case and lost money and time.